Hello everyone, I'm Rachel from the Innisfil Idea Lab and Library, and in today's tips and tricks we're going to learn a little bit about Inkscape and the cloning tool and what it can do. Now this is fun when you're trying to create patterns or you would like symmetry in certain objects. So we have our canvas here, but I'm going to take my circle tool and I'm just going to draw a circle and I'm going to fill it in so you can see the difference, and I'm just going to straighten it out. And I'm going to now turn it into an object. So now there'll be points. You can see all these little points here. My next step is I'm going to go over to the Edit tool, go down to Clone, and do Create Clone. Now there should be two. Now this is very interesting. So when you go back to the Edit Path tool, you can click on your actual one, and whenever you do something to the original object, it will happen to this object. Now, if I do anything here, you can see there's no nodes coming up. So if I move it up or even elongate it, it will do the same thing. Now, if I want this object to be, again, on its own, I can move it, and I can move this one around. But again, whatever I do to this one, if I go to rotate it, it copies. Now, say I like this, but I want to now let it become its own piece. Go back to the Edit tool, go down to Clone, and go to Unlink Clone. And now whatever happens with this one, if I move it, it doesn't copy the other one. Now let's see if we can do that with text. I'm going to do my name. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to create it into an object. Awesome. So now I'm going to go back to Edit. I'm going to do Clone, Create Clone. I'm going to move it over. So now, if I want these letters to be the same, they will start to be the same. So now if I wanted these to be the same again and relink them, I'm going to hold down Shift, select this object, go to Edit, click Clone, and I'm going to relink it. And that's some fun tips and tricks today using Inkscape and the Clone tool. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and show us some of the cool ideas you've done with the cloning tool. Thanks and have a great day.